If you're tired of juggling multiple tools for wiring tasks, the Klein Tools Wire Stripper, Crimper, Cutter multi-tool offers a smart all-in-one solution. Designed to strip, cut, twist, shear, and crimp, this tool handles a wide range of wire gauges and connectors with ease. It's a dependable choice for anyone who values efficiency and precision. This multi-tool strips 10 to 26 AWG solid wires and 12 to 28 AWG stranded wires, covering most common wiring needs. Beyond stripping, it crimps insulated and non-insulated terminals from 10 to 22 AWG, including B connectors and Scotchlok IDC connectors. The reinforced head reduces flex, giving you consistent control and durability during tough jobs. Cutting isn't an afterthought here. The precision shear-type blades cleanly shear 6 to 32 and 8 to 32 screws, making this tool a handy companion beyond just wire work. You get smooth, accurate cuts every time without struggling with dull or misaligned blades. This kind of versatility saves time and space in your toolkit. Made in the USA, this tool reflects Klein Tools' commitment to quality craftsmanship. Users praise its comfort and solid build, saying it fits well in the hand and performs reliably day after day. Whether you're an industrial mechanic or a weekend DIYer, it stands up to frequent use without wearing down quickly. One standout feature is the effective crimping capability. Many multi-tools include crimpers that feel like an afterthought, but this one actually works well, even on insulated connectors. That means you can trust it for professional-grade connections without needing extra tools cluttering your bag. If you're looking to streamline your tool collection without sacrificing quality, this multi-tool is worth a look. It combines multiple functions into one compact, sturdy device that handles a variety of wiring and cutting tasks with ease. That's what you get: convenience, durability, and precision all in one. For around $20, it's hard to find a better value for a tool that truly delivers on its promises. If that's you, someone who needs a reliable, versatile wire stripper and crimper, this Klein Tools multi-tool deserves a spot in your kit. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your workflow and simplify your projects.